Today, we are reviewing a special product, the Dyu A5 fully foldable electrical bike. It's not just any ordinary electrical bike, it's one that can run in pure electrical mode. So let's dive in right away. At first glance, the Dyu A5 impresses with its slick and compact design, perfect for city dwellers or commuters seeking convenient and efficient way to navigate urban landscapes. This electrical bike promises to make your day easier. Equipped with a foldable frame, the Dyu A5 offers you to easily store it in tight spaces or carry it on public transportation. Its LED display provides essential information at a glance, while the powerful electrical motor ensures a smooth ride. But before we delve deeper into its features and performance, let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. As we start unboxing this package, we find two boxes snuggled in a protective foam and plastic. These materials keep everything safe while it's on its way to us. Inside the boxes, we discover some cool stuff. 2 keys, and believe it or not, 2 remotes, and a little box filled with tools, pedals, and a charger. These are all things we need to get our Dyu A5 ready to roll. When ordering this bicycle, you get the option to order the black or white version. We went with the black because it looks super cool with its finish and touches of the red on top of the tires and its LCD light. What's really awesome about the Dyu A5, it's its motor. It's a 350 watt motor, which means you can ride without even having to pedal too much. And the best part, it folds up. Yep, you heard that right. You can fold it up nice and small, making it easy to store even in tiny spaces. It's like having a bicycle that's also a puzzle, but way more fun. You can travel with it, put it in your back car, and just go anywhere for a ride. And the best part about this bicycle is that you can actually ride on it without pedaling. Yes, you heard that right. You can go full electric without pedaling at all. Setting up the bicycle is very easy. It has no need of any instructions. You just put the seat on, you just adjust some levels of the steer, and you just charge the bicycle. It's that easy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to plug in the battery to power up the bicycle after you're fully set up. You can use the remote keys to unlock it and lock it. It has an alarm system, so we're actually good to go. Quick note, it does have an alarm system, but you want to be safe and get yourself a proper lock. So when you go to a store, for instance, that's what I did. I was still worried, even though there's an alarm system on it. Someone grabs the bike, the alarm will go off, but you just want to be extra safe. Get yourself a good lock. After that, if you want to start it up, it offers different ways to ride, like eco, mid, and high modes on the display. These modes can affect how long the battery lasts, giving us options based on what we need. Plus, there are handy features like the horn and the light switch for safety. With the brake in front and back, it can stop safely when it needs to. One of the coolest things about this bicycle is that you can travel 25 kilometers per hour without even pedaling. With the pedal assist feature, you can easily reach speeds of 25 kilometers in eco mode and even further in medium or high mode. Just give it a little push on the pedals and the pedal assist kicks in, making it effortless to ride. For my demonstration, I used it as an electric scooter. Just twist the handle and you're good to go. You can ride for approximately 25 to 30 kilometers without even pedaling at all on a full charge, making it perfect for those who prefer a more relaxed ride like myself. And if you twist the handle for more than 10 seconds, the system locks your speed, which will act like a cruise control, which makes it the best bicycle for me this year. Safety is also a top priority with the A5 bicycle. With just the press of a button, you can turn on the front and back lights, ensuring you're visible even in the dark. And when you brake, the back lights start to flash, alerting others that you're slowing down. Plus, the horn is loud enough to keep you safe on the road, letting others know you're coming. Lastly, the seat is designed for maximum comfort. With its hydraulic system that absorbs bumps and shocks, making it perfect for rough roads. And with the adjustable height, it can accommodate riders for all sizes. whether you're tall or short. So hop on and enjoy the ride because the A5 14-inch electrical bike has you covered. Let's talk a bit about the battery life. Removing the battery is a breeze. You don't even need to take off the seat completely. Just press and hold the button and fold the seat forward. Then, with the key provided, unlock and remove the battery from its case. So you can do this to charge the battery pack somewhere else, or if you're someone that bicycles a lot, you do want an extra battery pack, and you can easily switch between them, making it a very easy and convenient electrical bicycle. Putting the battery pack back in is just as easy. Just slide it in, lock it in, and you're good to go. Charging the battery is a simple process too. The charger turns green when it's plugged in and goes red while charging. When it turns green again, when it's fully charged, and it's good to go. Taking only about 4 to 5 hours to reach full capacity. Once charged, just fold the seat back, plug the battery in, and you're good to hit the road again. So how do I charge my electrical bike? It's very easy. I always unplug the power cable of the battery and I put the charge cable in. So in the last 10 years, I believe I've had over 11 or 12 electrical bicycles for my work. So I know that electrical batteries can be somehow dangerous. I've witnessed them for no reason getting on fire. So I always dismantle the battery from the power source. In this case, this bicycle has a power cable switched in or out whenever it's connected to the bicycle, making it very easy and unnecessary for me to take the whole battery pack out of the case. Now let's talk about the pedals. They're widey and sturdy, with markings for left and right to make the installation a breeze. And don't worry, they're designed to stay in place, so you won't have to deal with slipping or sliding while you ride. I did try to make it extra steady with the tool I got, but honestly I couldn't twist hard on it once it was already in place. When it comes to the electrical components, everything is well made and neatly hidden. You won't even notice the cables, and they're protected to ensure durability. Plus, the bicycle operates quietly so you can enjoy a smooth and peaceful ride without any distractions. Now let's delve into the impressive weight capacity of the A5 electrical bike. As stated by Dyu, this bike supports up to 120 kilos. The bike itself weighs about 22.4 kilo and it's made of an aluminium alloy. Now let's talk about my weight. I'm about 105 kilos, so I was pretty much a bit skeptic because I'm almost reaching maximum load. I had the feeling that the bike won't be as stable while riding. But this was not the case at all. It could easily support my weight, and it could also reach the 25 kilometers per hour in full electrical mode without even pedaling, which really surprised me. So we can actually say we tested the bike's performance with a load close to its maximum capacity. With a combined weight of 130 to 135 kilograms, the A5 demonstrated its ability to handle such loads even with this considerable weight. The bike maintained stability and smoothness during my intensive demonstration on the road for approximately 30 minutes without even pedaling. Let's quickly discuss the handlebars. These are easily to adjust. Users have the flexibility to customize the handlebars to their preferred height and angle. This feature allows for optimal comfort and control, catering a wide range of rider preferences. Lastly, let's discuss the bike's folding mechanism. The A5 features a user-friendly folding design that enables easy storage and transportation. With simple steps, users can fold the bike very easily, making it convenient to store in tight spaces or transport in vehicles. Let's start off with the seat. There's a button located on the bike that, when pressed, unlocks the seat. This mechanism is designed to be robust, preventing accidental unlocking while riding. Once unlocked, you can easily fold the seat back into the place, ensuring it's securely locked in position. Moving to the other side of the bike, you'll find a safety pin that further secures the folding mechanism. By unlocking this pin, you can safely unfold the bike into two pieces. After folding, be sure to reinsert the safety pin to prevent accidentally unfolding while in use. Now let's discuss the handles. These can be adjusted to your preferred height and angle for added comfort during your ride. When it's time to fold the bike, simply fold the handles down to make the bike more compact. Now let's walk through the actual folding process. Start by lowering the seat slightly and folding it forward. This creates a stable base for the bike when laying it down. Then fold the pedals up to further secure the bike in place. When folding the bike in half, ensure that it rests on both the seat and the pedals to prevent it from falling over. This method provides optimal stability and safety during transport. Once folded, the bike becomes a lightweight and easy to carry. You can easily lift it and take it with you wherever you go, whether it's on public transportation or in the trunk of your car. Finally, let's touch on the alarm system. By using the provided keys, you can activate the alarm with a simple lock. This alarm adds an extra layer of security, as any attempt to move the bike triggers the alarm, making it impossible to ride on. And you'll also actually need this remote to power on the display. Bottom line is that the A5 Dyu electrical bike not only offers impressive performance, but also convenient features for easy transportation and security. With proper folding and the use of an alarm system, you can conveniently take your bike anywhere without worry. And the best part to me is that this bike has pure electrical mode, making it practically an electrical scooter for me, riding from A to B without even pedaling. So there's one thing left for you to do, and that's to visit the link in the description that will redirect you to this website. There will also be a discount code applied for any bicycle you get here. If you think this or any other bicycle is the right fit for you, you can go ahead and order one with discount. My honest opinion about this bike is that I recommend it. I love the fact that you can fully fold it up. It's very stable, it could handle my weight. There's a remote with it, and it has an integrated alarm system. You can even take out the battery pack, and it's overall very stable. That being said, this video has come to an end. Let me know in the comment section what you thought about it. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget, I'll see you in the next one.